Hi, this is Paula, and today I'm going to show you the Lilla Rose Acrylic U-Pin. This is an acrylic plastic type material that's waterproof, so if you have any metal allergies, this is great, or if you're swimming or taking a shower, the acrylic U-Pin is great. It is also very lightweight, so it's very comfortable, and it works great for fine hair. If you have fine, thin hair, since it is so lightweight, it will not pull out your updos. So I'm going to show you some fun, easy hairstyles you can do using the Lilla Rose Acrylic U-Pin. All right, now the first one is going to be a full French twist, okay? So you just gather all your hair back, okay? And to a low ponytail. And then you start twisting it up. Make that roll. You tuck the ends in. Okay. Now you take the swerve, so the prongs or the bend is going the opposite way of your head. So then you're going to take a little bit of the edge of the roll, and see, go up. Then you go and you turn and go along the scalp. And now you see that the curve of the U-Pin is the same as your scalp, so it's really nice and comfortable. All right, that is a French twist using the Lilla Rose Acrylic U-Pin. All right, the next style is going to be a tails up style, okay? And we've got some mosquitoes going on out here. All right, so for the tails up, it's just like a French twist where you take a low ponytail, you twist up, but instead of tucking in the ends, you just attach your U-Pin. Again, you go in the roll, turn, and go along the scalp. Okay, then you're just letting the ends hang out. And that is really secure and very lightweight and comfortable. That is a tails up using a Lilla Rose Acrylic U-Pin. Okay, so the next hairstyle, I'm going to do a half up twist. Half up twist. This is a fun hairstyle. You just take a little bit of the sides back, okay? So you're making like a little ponytail back there. You take your finger and twist up. Okay, so you have a little twist there. So it's like a little mini French twist. Take your Lilla Rose Acrylic U-Pin, like that. Turn, go along the scalp. Okay. Now I can't see it, so hopefully that is a half up twist. The next hairstyle I'm going to show you with the acrylic U-Pin is a full bun hairstyle. And this can be a low bun or it can be a top knot. I might try both. Let's see. First I'm going to do a low bun. I'm just going to gather the hair and you twist it around into your little bun shape. Take your swerve. You go up along the part of the bun, twist, and go down, following the shape of the scalp. And there you have a nice low bun hairstyle. All right, now I'm going to try more of a top knot bun hairstyle. My daughters love this hairstyle. It's kind of like a messy bun or top bun, okay? Now, you just want your hair now to go more towards the top of your head. Okay, you do a bun, okay? Twist and go around. Take your U-Pin. Again, you take a little bit of the bun, go up, turn, go along the scalp, and out the other side. And that is a top knot. I'm thinking, I can't see it. It's not a hairstyle I normally do. Oh, it's like a little messy top knot. It's like a messy bun. It came out kind of messy. Well, cool. Yeah, doesn't have to be perfect. I kind of like messy buns. So if you want a messy bun, there you go. All right, so as you can see, there's like many things you can do with the acrylic U-pin. I want to call it a swerve. You could call it a swerve. It's an acrylic U-pin. It's like an acrylic hair fork. A hair fork is another name for it. And it's just, yeah, it's fun. It comes in 9 colors. This one was pink, but they come in purple and turquoise and a variety of neutral colors like tortoise shell and black, you know, if you just want more of a classic look that goes with everything. So these are a lot of fun. And again, they're super comfortable, lightweight. You will love them. All right, thanks for watching.